classes of maths. I hope you all are fit and fine at home, right? So we were in unit 5, that is division. You have already started this chapter and you have solved some questions also, right? In last video you have seen the properties of division and also how to check your answer, right? In today's video we will solve some more questions. So first we will start with page number 127. There are 12 questions in your textbooks and I am going to solve here some questions on board, and rest all the questions you have to solve by yourself. Okay, so let's start. Okay, this is your question number 1, 84,628, and you have to divide it with 4. The divisor is 4, the dividend is 84,628. To solve this, to divide this, you need to know the table of 4. Okay, so you can write it here. For our convenience, we can write it after the margin of your notebook. Okay, so I have written the table of 4 here. So to divide this, first thing we have to do is compare the first digit of the dividend. Okay, here first digit is 8 and 8 is greater than 4. So we can divide it. In 4's table, 2 times we get 8. So we will write here 2 and 8 here and subtract it. We will get 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. The next number is 4. Again, in 4's table we have 4 ones are 4. So we can write it here 1 and here 4 and subtract it. You will get 0. And again next number comes down is 6. Now, in 4's table you cannot see 6. So take the nearest number. Which number comes the nearest? 4 ones are 4. So again take 4 ones are 4 and subtract. You will get 2 and the next number is 2. Now find out the number which is nearest to 22. We have 4 5s are 20. So we write here 5 and here 20 and subtract it. You will get again 2 remainder and 8 will come down. Now in 4's table 7 times comes 28. So we will write here 7 and here 28 and subtract. So the quotient of this is 2, 1, 1, 5 and 7. See one more example. This is question number 2, 98,752 divided by 8. So first thing you have to do is write the table of 8 after the margin. Okay, start with 0. Okay, now let's divide. First of all, compare the first digit 9, which is greater than 8, so we can divide it. 8 ones are 8. Minus it, you will get 1. 8 comes down, 18. So next number we get is 18. Now take the nearest number to 18. We have 8 2's are 16. So write here 2 and here 16. You will get 2 remainder and 7 comes down. Now take the nearest number to 27. We have 8 3's are 24. So take 8 3's are 24 and subtract. You will get 3 here and the next number comes down 5. Now take the nearest number to 35. We have in 8's table 8 4's are 32. So we can write here 32 4 times and subtract. We have 3 as remainder and the next and the last number 2 comes down 32. Now in 8's table we have 32, 8 4 times. So 8 4's are 32. Again take and this will cancel it out. So the quotient of this question is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is your quotient. See one more question. This is question number 11 of your textbook. 5,84,969 divided by 7. So first thing you have to do is write the table of 7. Start from 0. Okay. Next thing is compare the first digit of dividend. This is 5. Now 5 is less than 7. So we cannot divide 5 by 7. So we have to take 2 digits, 5 and 8. If we will take 2 digit number, we can divide it. Now 58 is greater than 7. So we have in 7's table 7 8s are 56. So we can take directly 7 8s are 56 and subtract it. 5 minus 5 0 and 2. Next number will come 4. Now take the nearest number to 24. In 7 table 7 3s are 21. So take 7 3s are 21 and subtract. You will get 3 and here 9. Now again which number will come? We can take 7 5s are 35. This is 7 5s are 35. Now 4 and here 6. Now take the nearest number to 46. In 7th table we have 7 6 are 42. So we can write here 7 6 are 42. Subtract. You will get 44 and 9, that is 49. So last number is 49. In 7th table we have 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49. So write here 7 7s are 49 and subtract it. You will get 0. So the quotient of this question is 8, 3, 5, 6 and 7. This is your quotient. So in this type of questions, when the first digit of dividend is smaller than the divisor, you can take 2 digit number. Okay. So like this, so many questions are given in your next page of your textbook, page number 128. Okay. From here also I am solving some questions. This is your question number 1 from page number 128. This is 2247 and divided by 3. So first thing you have to do is write the table of 3 starting from 0. Now see here, the first digit is 2. That means 2 is less than 3. We cannot divide 2 by 3. So we will take 22, 2 digit number, which is greater than 3. Now we can divide. So take the nearest number to 22. In 3's table, see here, we have 3 7s are 21. So take here 7 and 21 down and subtract it. 2 minus 1 is 1 and next number comes down 4. Take the nearest number. 3 4s are 12. Subtract. You will get 2 and here next number comes down 7. Now in 3's table 3 9s are 27. Write here 9 and 27. This will cancel it out. So the quotient of this is 749. Okay. So like this you have to solve this type of questions. See one last question of this type. This is question number 12 from page number 128. Okay. 2440 divided by 5. So first thing you have to write the table of 5 outside the margin starting from 0. Now see here again 2 is less than 5. So we will take 24 which is greater than 5. So we can divide it. Now in 5's table we have 5 4s are 20. So take 4 and 20. Subtract it, you will get 4 and 4 comes down. Now 44. So we have 5 8s are 40. Right here 8 and here 40. This is 8. Now 4 and 0 will come down. We have 5 8s are again 40. So this will cancel it out completely. And the quotient will be 488. So So like this you have to solve all the rest questions of this page number 128. Okay, now see dividing by 2-digit numbers. Okay, this is in page number 129 of your textbook. This is your question number 1. 8,588 divided by 38. Okay, so the steps will be same as we are doing. First of all, write the table of 38. Okay, here is the table of 38. Now check the first digit. This is 8 and 8 is less than 38. So we will take 2-digit number, that is 85, which is greater than now 38. So we can divide it. Take the nearest number. Which is the nearest number in 38's table to get 85? We have 38 into 2 is 76. That means 38 2's are 76. We can subtract it. So here when you subtract 85 minus 76, you will get here 9 and this will become 0. Now bring 8 down. Now take the nearest number to 98. 38 in 38's table we have 32. 2's are 76 because we cannot take 38. 3's are 114, which is greater than 98. So we take 2's are 76 again and subtract. This is 2 and now 8 will come down. Now we have 228. Take the nearest number. We have 38 6 are 228. So we can take 38 6 are 228 and this will cancel it out. So the quotient of these is 226. See another example, question number 2. 9,216 divided by 48. Write the table of 48 here, starting with 0. We have 92. 9 is less than 48. So we will take 2-digit number 92 and we will divide it with 1. 48 ones are 48. You will get 44 when you subtract. Bring 1 down. Now we have 441. So take the nearest number. In 48's table we have 48 9's are 432. So take 48 9's are 432. Now subtract it. You will get 96. This will come 0. This 6 will comes down. So you will get 96. Now in 48's table 48 2's are 96. So we will directly write here 48 2's are 96 and subtract. So here you will get quotient is 192. Now see, this is your question number 17. 94,764 divided by 53. You can write the table of 53 by multiplying. Write it here after the margin and now subtract. Take 2-digit number 94. We have 53 ones are 53. Subtract. You will get here 1 and 4, 41. Now 7 will come down. Now take the nearest number 417. Which number is the nearest number? We have 53 7's are 371. So write here 7 and here 371 and subtract. You will get 46. This will become 0 and now this 6 will come down. Now take the nearest number. We have 53 8's are 424. So take 53 8's are 424 and subtract. You will get this one 4 2 and again 4. Now again we can take 53 8's are 424 and this will cancel it out. So the quotient will be 1788. So this way you have to divide all the rest of the questions. I hope you have understood this 1 digit and 2 digit division, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the Campus Care app. Okay, till then, thank you.